guys, here I am with another video, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Karen Reyes or Kitzelreyes, and today I'm going to be talking about 4 new products that I got the chance to try. And the first time I tried them, I completely fell in love with them instantly. They're all natural, they're Curly Girl approved, and they're just amazing. I know they have a leave-in, but I didn't have the chance to try that one out, but I've heard amazing reviews. And the brand I'm going to be talking about today, it is Tréluxe. The first time I tried them, I made a wash and go for you guys, and I recorded it, and I will be adding it to this video because that is exactly how I've been applying the products. These are the products I started my hair with 3 days ago, so this is third day hair. I do have a little bit of frizz, and that is because here where I live is very humid. I'm gonna probably do a little close-up so you guys can see my hair. I still have really great ringlets. It did hold up for a very long time the first time I tried the products out. I believe I lasted with that wash and go for about 5 days. So I know this hair will probably hold up for a couple more days. I did not refresh today, so this is exactly how I woke up today. So last night when I fell asleep, I did not use a bonnet, just my pillowcase, the silk one I have, and that was pretty much it. My hair still looks pretty good. I am most likely not going to refresh tomorrow if my hair looks this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and start talking about the products. The first one I'm gonna be talking about is their shampoo. So their shampoo is called Curl, Renew, and Restore. It is a gentle cleanse rinse. It is sulfate free, all curl types, and color safe. I fell in love with this product the first time I tried it. It is very gentle. It does the job in cleaning your scalp and your hair. It does not strip it down because it does not contain sulfates. Like I said, it is sulfate free and it is Curly Girl approved. So one of their key ingredients is coconut milk and slippery elm extract. I think I'm going to do a little close-up of the product so you guys can see the ingredients, you guys can see how clean they are. So I completely recommend this product. I did see it at my local Whole Foods store. So if you have a local Whole Foods, and you guys of course can order them online as well, I completely recommend their shampoo. It is super gentle, and it will not, like I said before, it will not strip your hair down. So let's go over to the next product. The next product I do want to talk to you guys about, it is ReFlex, the Curl Styling Serum. This is a product like no other. I've never tried anything like this, and if you have, please comment down below. It's kind of like a gel, kind of like an oil. What this does is helps you with frizz. So basically what this product is an anti-frizz. It's really cool. I did use it before I applied my creams because that just seemed like the right way for me to apply it. I've seen people that apply it after their leave-in conditioner, but since I wanted to stick to their whole line and I didn't want to add any other leave-ins or like any other products, I did the shampoo and then I followed up with this styler, and then of course I'll talk about the rest of the products here in a bit. And the key ingredients for this product are aloe leaf juice, coconut water, and grapeseed extract. Definitely love this product. It did help me a lot with my frizz. As you guys can tell, I do have minimal frizz, and like I said, it's been raining here for the past couple of days. The next product is their Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. This product is amazing. The consistency is like a cream, definitely. It's not heavy at all on your curls. They are very hydrating, and it is a 4-in-1, so it hydrates, it strengthens your hair, protects, and helps you style it. The key ingredients for this product are apricot oil, coconut oil, and marshmallow root extract. That is why it has this scent. Because of the marshmallow root extract. I know that's what it is, because every product that I've tried that has marshmallow root extract has this scent, and it's really nice. And the last product, but definitely not the least, is their High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. This is for long-lasting defined curls, 360 degrees curls complex with tomato extract, long-lasting curl definition, luminous shine, and moisture balance. I am in love with this gel. It is really strong hold. I know in the instructions or the information says that it is medium to strong hold. I do think this is very strong hold. I want to show you guys the consistency because it's really cool. Look. So it's kind of like a jello, and I love it a lot. have used it a couple of times. I have also used it to refresh. So this is a really great product. Smells really good. The key ingredients are avocado, honey, and sage extract. I love avocado for your hair, obviously. So this is pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and see their main ingredients. This is their first ingredient is water and then aloe vera. and I love aloe vera as well. So this is a really great product, especially if you follow the Curly Girl method. All these products are Curly Girl approved, so they are free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, and harsh alcohols and waxes. And I definitely recommend the whole line. I'm gonna go ahead and add the clip of how I styled my hair, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and give Tréluxe a chance because they are definitely worth it. I think that my results speak for themselves. You guys will also see what my hair looked like on my first wash and go using the products and how surprised I was by using them. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment down below if you guys have tried Tréluxe, and let me know what you guys think of the brand. And thank you so much for watching. Till next time, guys. Bye. Well, it is really watery. Start applying it to my hair. I know it says to apply it into 5 sections. So what I'm going to do is after I apply it, I'm going to be running my brush through it to make sure my whole hair gets the product distributed through there. So then I'm going to be using one of my brush. I'm gonna detangle. Not detangle, basically just making sure I have the product distributed all over. I'm really excited. It says to separate wet hair into 4 sections, distribute product through each section starting from the ends of hair and working to their roots. That is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide my hair in 4 sections, and I'm going to be working it all the way from the bottom all the way to my roots. So let's go ahead and start. The formula is very creamy. It's not heavy. I wouldn't say it's heavy because usually it's not like a butter. It's definitely like a defining cream, but it is very creamy. I'm gonna go with my brush and I'm gonna be brushing. Now I'm going to be applying the gel. It smells really good. It looks like a souffle. So I'm going to grab about this much. And then kind of like I said, praying hand method. I'm going to scrunch. That way your curls do what they have to do and they start curling. So once I have scrunched all of my hair with the gel, you are more than welcome to grab a little bit more, which I am going to be doing. I'm going to rub it all over my hair and start applying it on the areas that I usually have the trouble with, which is in the back. And I'm going to start scrunching a little bit more. And that was it. But I like to do a little extra step. I'm going to be grabbing a microfiber towel and I'm going to be scrunching and trying to get the excess product out. That way my hair is able to dry a little bit faster. Once I have gotten rid of all the excess product, I am going to start diffusing. Now I'm going to add a little clip on how I diffused, and then I'll be back and show you guys my final results. So my hair is 100% dry. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to break the cast. And I am going to be adding a little bit of this oil, which is like a mixture of oils. I've been like doing a little bit of avocado, a little bit of like coconut, a little bit of almond, castor, and all those like those oils. And I'm going to start breaking my cast. That way I can show you guys what my hair actually looks without a cast. And actually, I feel like the gel had a really strong hold because my hair did have a really hard cast. But yes, guys, these are my final results. My hair feels amazing, feels super balanced and super soft. I did get great definition. The gel is super strong hold. I know it says medium to strong hold, but it feels super strong. It left me a really nice cast. I think my hair will hold up really good for a couple more days. Also, like, they all are like natural ingredients, so they're super good for your hair. They're all Curly Girl approved. So if you guys have any questions regarding any of the products from the Tréluxe collection, just let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much. Bye.